Options traders are using several strategies in the Russell going into the election. I'm Angela Miles with the Russell Report. The Russell is up slightly at 1634. The Russell has been gaining ground since Wednesday. The ratio one call trading for about every two puts. Starting with the most active options, the January puts at the 1450 strike are the most active, and right after that, the December 1450 puts. Now, some of this action could be because of a support line in the Russell right around 1450. On the call side, the November weeklies expiring on the 6th are active at 1635. That is clearly an election play on the call side. The straddle for next week projects a move up or down possible of 3.2%. That's a bit wider of a move than previous weeks, and a sign volatility is building into the election. The RVX, which measures implied vol in the Russell, is really kind of flatlining today at 33, but of course the situation is always fluid. On to those strategies, options traders appear to be accumulating volatility on down days. So when the vol is down, they're purchasing at the lowest level. They can get perhaps the thinking that volatility is likely to rise into the election. That way they can sell vol when it's at a higher price, maybe before or after the election, depending on individual plans. I spoke with Scott Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. He's watching the levels in the Russell and the recent incredible run in the Russell. His plan is to fade the rally. Now, traders believe at some point there will be a stimulus bill that is approved, and the Russell will run into major resistance around 1650 or 1660. Volatility in the Russell is actually on the lower end of where it's been trading since the pandemic. So Scott is buying downside put spreads for a post-election or post-stimulus play with the belief that there could be a selling of the news situation. The strategy he's looking at is the November traditional 20th expiration, buying the 1550 and 1530 puts, $20 wide, costing $4. Scott likes the reward to risk setup in his strategy. There's no certainty that the Russell will pull back to those levels, but that is his plan. I'm Angela Miles. I'll be back next Friday for the Russell Report just prior to the election. Don't miss it.